Hi, I'm Audrey Dulbon, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Ukulele Maker Kit from Champaign County Library. We're going to go over some simple chords, and then you can learn how to do songs and things on your own. Now, the first chord I'm going to teach you is a C chord. Now, on your ukulele, there's these little bars. Those are frets, and then there are 4 strings. The C chord is on the 3rd fret, so 1, 2, we're down in this one. On the 1st string, that's a C, and then it should sound like this. Next is the F chord. Your first finger will be on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and your 2nd finger will be on the last string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is a G7. Your pointer finger will go on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Your 2nd finger will go on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and your last finger will go on the same fret, 1st string, like this. And then, the next note is E7. So your pointer finger will go on the last string, 1st fret. Your 2nd finger will go on the 3rd string, 1st fret, and your last finger will go on the same fret, 1st string, like this. And you get that. Next is a C7. So similar to the first one, it's also on the 1st string, but you move it up 2, so we're up here now, and this is a C7. Next is a D chord, and it's kind of difficult since all your fingers are going to be on the same fret. Now, for a D chord, you want your pointer finger here on the 4th string, your 2nd finger, same fret, 3rd string, and then your 3rd finger, squeeze it on in there on the 2nd string, and the only string that should be open is the last one, and you should get this. An easy song to start learning is You Are My Sunshine. You only need a C, an F, and a G chord for this one. So, it starts off with You are my sunshine, that was a C, my only sunshine. You make me happy, that was an F. When skies are gray, that was back to a C. You'll never know, dear, that was an F. How much I love you, that was a C. Please don't take my sunshine away. And the last 2 notes were a G and a C. Remember, it takes some time to get used to playing. New instruments are really hard. I'm still learning myself, but together we can totally rock out.